Welcome back to Thriveology Today. Here's a big question. What sets apart those who just blend in from the ones everyone turns to for answers, insights, and opportunity? It's not luck or louder marketing. It's the power of authority. The art of becoming the go-to expert in your field. Imagine building a reputation so strong that your name is at the top of the list when opportunities appear. Clients seek you out, your network grows, and your audience hangs on every word. Today, you'll learn exactly how to amplify your authority and build lasting influence. If you're serious about being that trusted voice, the expert your industry relies on, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's unlock the Authority Amplified Blueprint together. Part 1. The Authority Mindset. Confidence and clarity. All mastery begins in the mind. Building authority isn't just about skills or knowledge. It's about believing you have something valuable to share with the world. Think of yourself as the director of a movie. If you mumble stage directions, the cast won't follow. When you speak with conviction, everyone listens. Your first job is to clarify your niche and own your expertise. Start by answering, what problem do I solve? Who am I here to help? Craft a simple, powerful statement of your value, your authority headline. Like, I help small businesses double their revenue through actionable marketing strategies. Or, I turn wellness confusion into simple daily routines for busy parents. Action steps. Define your expertise. What specific value do you offer? Write your authority headline and post it where you'll see it daily. Practice sharing your expertise confidently, in conversations, online, or even in the mirror. Authority is a mindset before it becomes a movement. See yourself as an expert, and others will start to as well. Part 2. Building your flagship content. Create the signature stamp to become the go-to expert. You need a body of work that showcases your knowledge and unique approach. Your flagship content, blog, podcast, YouTube series, or newsletter becomes your digital handshake to the world. Choose a content platform that plays to your strengths. If you love explaining ideas out loud, start a video series or podcast. If you're a writer, embrace blogging or articles. Think of this as your signature stamp, your signature recipe that people crave. Break down complex topics into bite-sized, actionable lessons. Share your stories, case studies, and the lessons you've learned along the way. Real-world example. Neil Patel became a digital marketing authority by publishing in-depth guides and tutorials, free tools, and sharing real experiments, all under his personal brand. Action steps. Pick your flagship platform, blog, podcast, video, or newsletter. Plan out the first 5-10 episodes / articles / lessons focused on your expertise. Publish consistently. Showing up is half the battle. Your content is your calling card. Make it easy to find and impossible to forget. Part 3. Social proof and credibility. Borrow trust. Build influence. Authority grows fastest when others vouch for you. This is the power of social proof. The right testimonials, media features, and collaborations are worth more than 1,000 ads. Start close to home. Ask past clients or colleagues for one-sentence endorsements of your skills. Next, look for small wins. Guest posts, podcast interviews, or speaking slots in communities you belong to. As you build, collect success stories, case studies, awards, or press mentions. Display them proudly on your website, social media, and professional profiles. Imagine you're building a trust wall. Each brick is a real-world proof point that you deliver value. Action steps. Collect at least 3 testimonials this month. Reach out to one podcast, blog, or event organizer about a small guest spot. Turn your case studies and results into shareable stories. Credibility compounds over time. Keep adding those bricks. Part 4. Community leadership. Start the conversation. True authority isn't just about being an expert. It's leading the conversation in your niche. This is how you create a movement, not just a following. Start by building a central place for your community. A Facebook group, LinkedIn community, Discord, or even a regular live Q&A. Take initiative, ask questions, encourage others to share, celebrate member wins, and moderate with empathy. Think of yourself as the host at the best party in town. Your role is to bring great people together, spark meaningful conversations, and make everyone feel welcome. Real-world story. Pat Flynn of Smart Passive Income launched his online communities early and prioritized serving, not selling. This built loyalty and word-of-mouth growth for his brand as an industry leader. Action steps. Start or join a niche community. Contribute value, don't just promote. Set a consistent rhythm. Weekly posts, challenges, or Q&As to spark engagement. Recognize and spotlight rising voices within your group. Community is where authority multiplies. Be the leader who lifts others up. Part 5. Speaking, teaching, and collaboration. Expand your impact. Stepping into the spotlight reinforces your expert status. Whether it's a webinar, workshop, guest podcast, or live training, every speaking opportunity plants your flag in the ground. You don't have to wait for invitations. Host your own Instagram or YouTube Live. Start a monthly masterclass, or organize a virtual roundtable in your field. Collaborate with others. Co-author an article, host expert panels, or build a challenge with peers in your space. These collaborations put you in front of new audiences and elevate your reputation. Action steps. Pitch yourself for one speaking or teaching opportunity this month. Partner with another expert on a joint content project or event. Repurpose your talks into new content, clips, blog posts, or free mini courses. Remember, every time you share your knowledge on a bigger stage, you amplify your authority. You don't just influence, you inspire. Let's tie it all together. Decide today. Where are you ready to claim your authority? Define your expertise, create signature content, collect proof, build community, and step onto new stages. This week, pick one strategy from today's episode. Maybe it's clarifying your authority statement, launching your flagship content, or applying to speak in your field. Drop it in the comments and let's celebrate your commitment. If you found value, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone ready to step into their leadership. Your authority is an asset. Grow it, nurture it, and use it to change your world. The difference between experts and everyone else isn't how much they know. It's their willingness to share boldly, build trust, and lead the way for others. You have a voice, a story, and a solution the world needs. Keep thriving, keep leading, and never stop growing. See you next time on Thriveology Today.